Roblox Studio Tutorial Part 36. In this video I'm gonna teach you about WaitForChild. And WaitForChild is a method that you can use inside of a script to locate objects inside of your game. And this is useful because the difference between FindFirstChild and WaitForChild is that WaitForChild is used to wait until a certain object has been loaded inside of the game. Because sometimes it is possible that a certain script runs before the part has been loaded. And so if you would have used FindFirstChild, it would have not gotten the part because the part had not been loaded yet. But with WaitForChild, it waits until the part has been loaded, and if the part has been loaded, it still gets the part. So that is very nice. And otherwise, if you use WaitForChild on a part that doesn't exist, it will throw in an error and the rest of your script will not be executed. First, we have to create a part that we are going to locate inside of our game. So in the workspace, first I'm going to add a folder. Inside of this folder, I'm going to add a part, and this part is then the child of this folder. And this part is also going to be the object that we are going to locate using WaitForChild. When you're inside of a script, we're first just going to delete this part. And first we're gonna locate our folder inside of our game and make a variable out of it. So we're going to say local folder equals game dot workspace dot name of your folder, which for me is going to be folder. So now this is the variable of our folder, and now we are going to locate the part, so the object inside of the folder using WaitForChild. So again, we're gonna make a variable out of it. We're going to say local part equals folder because the part is inside of the folder. Then we're going to say colon, and then it's basically just the same as FindFirstChild, but then instead of FindFirstChild, we're going to say wait for child, open parentheses, quotations, because it's a string, the name of the part, which for me is just going to be part. And now we have located our part inside of the folder. Because we have folder, we wait for the child to be loaded, and the child of this folder is the part. And then here we have the name of the object that we want to locate, and that is the part. I split this video up into two parts because otherwise the video would be too long, and part 2 will be uploaded tomorrow.